Hi, this is Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliances, and I'm going to show you how to measure for a new refrigerator. So a couple key measurements we need. We're going to need our height of our cutout, so we're going to measure from just below this top cabinet, right here, all the way down to the floor. And then we're going to measure from right to left on our cutout. And then we're also going to see if there's any impediments either on the left side that will impede the door from opening, or our right side. And if you notice, we've got a wall here, so this is going to be a critical measurement if by chance your wall or a cabinet extends out past, because this will dictate if the door opens fully. So that's an important measurement as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and measure our height first. So what we've got on this particular unit, we're going to have 72 3/4 inches high. Now on the height, you always want to measure both the left and right side because you may have uneven floors. So go ahead and take the measurement, and it appears as though we've got the exact same measurement, 72 3/4. So we're good. And then we're going to take a left to right cutout measurement, and we're it's about 36.5, give or take a 16th. So we'll say 36 3/8. And then we're also going to just quickly take this measurement from our wall to where the cutout opening is, and we're about 5 1/4 inches. Now I don't have anything on this side, so I'm not really going to worry about it, and I don't have any impediments here. Sometimes you may have a countertop, whether it be solid surface, granite, or laminate, that'll come over here and kind of possibly impede how our door opens like this. But we're good right here. So if you have any questions, please visit us at any of our Pittsburgh or Erie showrooms, or go to donsappliances.com.